Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Nintendo Switch. First, let's get your console set up. Carefully unbox your new Nintendo Switch, ensuring all components like the console, Joy-Cons, and dock are present. Attach the Joy-Con controllers to the sides of the console or slide them into the Joy-Con grip. Power on your Switch by pressing the small button on the top left, then follow the on-screen prompts for language and internet settings. The Nintendo Switch offers incredible versatility with two main play modes. For handheld gaming, simply hold the console with the Joy-Cons attached, enjoying your games on its vibrant 6.2-inch screen. To play on a larger display, slide the console into its dock, which connects to your television via an HDMI cable. The Joy-Cons can then be detached and used wirelessly, perfect for sharing the fun with friends. Let's dive into the controllers. The Joy-Cons feature a full set of buttons, including 2 analog sticks, a plus and minus button, and 4 face buttons, offering precise control. They charge automatically when attached to the console or via a charging grip. For longer gaming sessions, consider the Nintendo Switch Pro controller, known for its ergonomic design and extended battery life, often lasting up to 40 hours on a single charge. Finally, let's talk about managing your games and system. The home menu is your central hub, allowing you to launch games, access the Nintendo eShop for new titles, and adjust system settings. You can manage your downloaded games and save data, ensuring you never lose progress. Explore parental controls to customize access for younger players, and consider a Nintendo Switch Online membership for cloud saves and online multiplayer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.